In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to record electronic drums on Logic Pro X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your set of electronic drums to a PC and how to record them using the Logic Pro X software. For this video, I chose to use the Alesis Nitro Max as an example. However, any model of electronic drums should work for this. You just need to make sure that you can establish a physical connection between your electronic drum kit and then a PC or laptop running Logic Pro X. So all that you have to do is check the connection types at the back of your electronic drums module. For this particular model, it uses a USB connection primarily whenever it needs to be connected to a PC or laptop. Another very common connection type is MIDI, so either check the manual or look at the back of your module to determine which connection type you will be using. Now, whenever you find the connection type available here, you just plug one end of a cable into the module and then another one into your PC or laptop. As long as you are able to establish this connection, it is going to be recognized as an audio device and you will be able to record it inside of any software, including Logic Pro X. Now, if you have a MIDI connection, you can just like USB plug one end into the module and then another one into your PC. You might also want to use a MIDI to USB adapter. And as long as you use any sort of adapter and you establish the physical connection between the module and the PC or laptop, you will be good to go. Now you can launch Logic Pro X and inside you will be able to configure your electronic drums. So you can go over to the preferences and under the audio category, you should be able to see it listed as a standard device. So you will be able to control everything about it here and it should appear under the list of available devices. Just make sure that you select it from the list and you are good to go. If you notice that it doesn't appear on the list, make sure that the drivers were downloaded. If you notice that your OS is not downloading them, automatically visit the official website and download any sort of software or drivers that you are missing, and as long as they are set up as an audio device with a physical connection established, you will be able to record them inside of Logic Pro X. I hope I was able to help you on how to record electronic drums on Logic Pro X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.